2022 and 2024, it's been 2 years now. Have your top 5 holdings changed?
Not really.
Okay, why is that? Because markets are up 50-70%.
They continue to do well. Trend. So it's like this.
What are your top holdings then, just for disclosure purposes?
Trend, ICICI Bank, Titan and Syngene. Okay. 4 I remember, the fifth one I don't remember.
Okay, so top 4 holdings was same in 2022?
Yes.
Okay. I'm not getting into a stock-specific conversation, but when you look at a company like Titan, when you invested in Titan, it was a watch company.
Yeah.
Now it is a jewelry company and they're migrating into other businesses. What do you think they've got it right? Because again, the jewelry business in India is highly competitive.
It is highly competitive. But again, so we entered into Titan at that point in time because it had gone into jewelry.
Okay.
So that was one of the main reasons. The second was that, of course, their focus was trust. So they started those machines where you could go and test the purity of gold. Because ultimately buying gold is all about trust. So people buy from a neighborhood jeweler because there is trust. So that is the reason why they could attract a lot of people to their stores. And I think that's what was the main winning factor. And of course, then comes the brand and then comes the designs.
So when stocks, they grow at what could be called as P multiples which are above averages. For example, Trent now is trading at a P multiple of 100 plus. Titan must be 40-50 times 1 year forward depending on the estimate you look at. You don't get the temptation of switching, selling, buying something which is cheap?
So as long as I don't see any business which can grow faster than them, that is one. And frankly, when it comes to Trent, the P multiple, I think one needs to go through the balance sheet. One needs to analyze that because of Ind AS, the changes which have come in, when future liabilities you have to adjust by amortization and interest. So if you adjust for that, it may not be at such a high P. It will still be at a high P, but not as much as 100 plus. So that is one. And second is that as long as they are growing at 40-45%, I don't think there is any problem, because at that rate, the P multiple can collapse if the price remains same, which it doesn't, because if they continue to grow, the price also goes up.